Welcome to DJH Prestige and Sports, where we've just acquired this lovely Jaguar XF Estate, finished in metallic grey, park distance control to the front, lovely condition alloy wheels, bodywork's in lovely condition, it's got keyless entry, privacy glass to the rear, bodywork's just absolutely gleaming, got rear park distance control. It's in absolutely fantastic condition throughout. It's just had two brand new tyres. They're revised on the MOT, so we've actually changed them. Take all our pictures and videos outside for the better light, but all our cars are kept inside our indoor showroom, so you can view the cars in any weather. It's an electric tailgate, as you've just seen. Boot area is in fantastic condition. These really are a lot of car for the money now. Great value for money. Full black leather interior, electric windows, Meridian sound system, electric memory seats, full leather, multifunction steering wheel. Just start the car up. All the air vents open and close as they should. Just done 107,132 miles, fully loaded. So we've got reverse camera, satellite navigation. I'll just come up in a minute. Augs and a USB, rocking wheel nut, paddle shift on the gearbox, satellite navigation, Bluetooth phone connectivity, heated seats. This car has everything and they drive like an absolute dream. At DJH, we've got full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call at 07503 751 005. Thank you.